dishes like the pastel de nata, bacalhau, cod, and many other dishes. But there is more to uncover here amongst some of the healthiest and greatest food on the planet. First, the fruits and vegetables are fresh. In most towns, there are no backdoor loading docks. Fresh food comes in the door right through the entrance, carried by hand. The food is sourced locally. When visiting Portugal, it might be easier to go to a local fast food restaurant that is familiar, but to really enjoy the wonderful culinary experience, try everything you can. What's the worst that can happen? You might just fall in love with the food. Here is one of our local favorite spots for breakfast, the Oasis Cafe. Always great food and wonderful service.
Awesome.
A new expat friend and I had coffee at the Oceanfront Hotel. She was missing her Starbucks caramel macchiato, so she ordered one here and she said it was even better, less sweet and more flavorful. There are Starbucks here, but most Portuguese people do not go to them. Why would they when Portugal has amazing coffee? Explore the rich variety of Portuguese cuisine, highlighting key dishes, regional specialties, and traditional cooking methods that make Portugal a food lover's paradise. When we first arrived in Portugal, there was a small local restaurant near our apartment. The owner and his wife were very kind to us. The first time I ordered fresh fish, he deboned it for me. The second time, he asked if I wanted to learn. I was terrified and thought that was something that I could not do, but now it's one of my favorite things to do. Try something unknown, and you may love it. And by the way, Portugal has some of the freshest food and best wine in the world. Did you know that some of the freshest sardines are found in Portugal? And no, they are not in a can. Also, the desserts are amazing, especially around the holidays. Portuguese foods are among the healthiest in the world. For the most part, fruits and vegetables are grown locally and do not contain preservatives or artificial colors or flavors, and meats do not contain growth hormones. Don't be afraid of Portugal's excellent cuisine. To be honest, we knew almost nothing about the food here before we moved. What a wonderful delight. Thanks for watching, and please leave comments about your own food adventures.